Are you dreaming of that perfect family vacation? You know, the one you see on Instagram with smiling faces and scenic backdrops. But is the reality more like this? Kids screaming in the back seat, a car packed so full you can't see out the back window, and you, the parent, feeling like you need a vacation from the vacation before it even starts. I see you, I've been you. The chaos, the stress, the endless chorus of "Are we there yet?" It's enough to make anyone want to just stay home. But what if I told you that with a few simple secrets, you can transform that travel stress into travel success? Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share the ultimate guide to making your next family trip not just easy, but genuinely fun for everyone. Alright, let's dive right in. The magic of a smooth trip begins long before you lock the front door. It starts with planning. And no, I don't mean a spreadsheet that's 100 pages long. Let's talk destinations first. The key is involving everyone. Hold a family meeting. Let the kids pitch their dream vacation spots. Maybe it's a beach, a theme park, or a mountain cabin. Giving them a voice makes them feel invested and excited. A great trick is to offer 2 or 3 pre-approved options that fit your budget and timeline. That way, you maintain control, but they get the final say. It's a win-win. Now, for the budget. Family travel doesn't have to break the bank. My biggest hack: travel during the off-season or shoulder season. The weeks right before or after a major holiday can offer the same great weather with fewer crowds and lower prices. Also, look for destinations with lots of free activities like national parks, beaches, or cities with great public spaces. And don't forget the power of technology. Apps like Hopper can predict flight and hotel prices, telling you the best time to book. For road trips, Gasbooty is a lifesaver for finding the cheapest fuel. A little bit of digital planning can save you a whole lot of money. Okay, let's talk about the dreaded P word, packing. It's the ultimate game of Tetris, isn't it? My golden rule is, pack by outfit, not by item. Instead of just throwing in 5 shirts and 3 pairs of pants, lay out a complete outfit for each day. This prevents overpacking and makes getting dressed on vacation so much easier. Packing cubes are your best friend here. They keep everything organized and compressed. Give each kid their own colored cubes so they can easily find their own clothes. And here is a pro tip for packing with kids: let them pack their own small backpack. This isn't for clothes, this is their fun bag. Let them choose a few favorite small toys, a book, some coloring supplies, and one special comfort item. This gives them a sense of responsibility and, more importantly, provides instant entertainment when you need it most. For the parents, don't forget a just-in-case kit. This should include basic first aid supplies, any necessary medications, sanitizing wipes, and a portable power bank. Trust me, a dead phone in an unfamiliar city is a level of stress you just don't need. The big day is here. Travel day. Whether you're flying or driving, this is where the real test begins. The secret weapon: snacks. Lots and lots of snacks. And I mean a variety. Pack a mix of healthy options like fruit and cheese sticks, alongside a few special treats they don't get every day. A well-fed kid is a happy kid. And for drinks, bring empty, reusable water bottles that you can fill up after airport security or at rest stops. Now, for entertainment. Screen time is okay. A tablet loaded with their favorite shows or games can be an absolute lifesaver on a long flight. But don't rely on it completely. Mix it up. Audiobooks are fantastic for the whole family to enjoy together. Classic card games like I Spy or the license plate game are still hits for a reason. I also love surprise bags. Grab a few small, inexpensive toys from the dollar store and let them open one every hour. The anticipation alone will keep them occupied for a good while. Remember, the goal on travel day is survival with a smile. It's about keeping spirits high and stress low. You've made it. You're at your destination. Now, how do you make sure you're actually making those happy memories you dreamed of? The key is balance. Don't overschedule your days. It's tempting to try and see and do everything, but that's a recipe for burnout, especially with kids. Plan one main activity for the day, maybe a museum in the morning or a hike in the afternoon, and leave the rest of the day flexible. That downtime is just as important. It's when the spontaneous magic happens, like discovering a cool local ice cream shop or just splashing around in the hotel pool. Create little family rituals for your trip. Maybe it's collecting a unique souvenir from each place, like a pressed penny or a postcard. Or maybe you can create a family travel journal where everyone writes or draws their favorite part of the day. These small traditions become the big memories they'll cherish for years. And most importantly, put your phone away for a while. Be present. Build that sandcastle, play that card game, tell those silly stories. The emails can wait. These moments with your family can't. But let's be real, no matter how perfectly you plan, things can and will go wrong. Your flight might be delayed, it might rain on your beach day, or your toddler might have a full-blown meltdown in the middle of a quiet restaurant. It happens to all of us. The most important thing you can pack on any trip is flexibility. When things go sideways, take a deep breath. Acknowledge the frustration, but then pivot. A flight delay can become an opportunity for an airport scavenger hunt. A rainy day can become a cozy movie marathon in the hotel room. When your child has a meltdown, remember that they're likely just overwhelmed, tired, or hungry. Instead of getting stressed, get down on their level. Give them a hug, offer a snack, and validate their feelings. Saying something like, "I know you're feeling really frustrated right now," can work wonders. Your calm is contagious. If you can stay cool and handle the hiccup with a bit of grace and humor, you're teaching your kids an incredible life lesson about resilience. You're showing them that the adventure isn't about everything being perfect. It's about how you navigate the bumps in the road together. So there you have it. Traveling with your family doesn't have to be an ordeal you just survive. It can be the incredible, fulfilling, memory-making adventure you've always wanted. It's about involving your kids in the planning, packing smart, turning travel days into part of the fun, and balancing adventure with relaxation. But most of all, it's about embracing the beautiful, unpredictable chaos of it all and focusing on what truly matters, being together. These trips, even the imperfect ones, are the stories your family will tell for a lifetime. They are the building blocks of your family's history. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope these tips help you feel excited and empowered for your next family journey. Now I want to hear from you. What is your number one, absolute best family travel tip? Drop it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on making family life easier and more fun. Until next time, happy travels!